Hey, Facebook, I'm going live here. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Yes, the title of the video is correct. Yes, some of you all remember this song. Going live this morning. Let me wait for a few folks to jump in here. If you're watching this video, you just do you, I'ma do me. Some of y'all remember that song. I think it says Rocco wrote this song. You just do you, I'ma do me. I want to talk about this for a minute. And when this song came out, it says it came out in 2009. I feel like time is just flying by, y'all. But it says it came out in 2009. I hated this song. I hated the song so much. You just do you, I'ma do me. I thought it was like against everything that I was taught growing up. Like just, caring for your neighbor, caring for other people. And I hated this song. You just do you, I'ma do me. But let's talk about this for a minute this morning. There are a lot of people living based on what other people think about them, right? There are a lot of people making decisions based on what other people want them to decide. And I meet so many people that are dreaming and hoping for better. They're dreaming and hoping for different. They're dreaming and hoping for the future. But other people are telling them you can't do it. Or other people are asking them, why would you do it that way? And other people matter when it comes to service or giving or charity or just, collaboration. But when it comes to your hopes and dreams and things you want to accomplish, you just need to do you, right? I can't say this enough. Like, if somebody comes to me with a hope or a dream, if somebody has something that they want to do and they ask for guidance, the opinion that I give them is mine, right? What I can't tell that person is how much hustle they have. What I can't tell them is how far they're willing to go for their hope and their dream. And so what I usually end up saying is, if it were me, this is what I would do. But I always tell them, shoot your shot. I always tell them, you just do you, right? If it's something that you believe in so much, if it's something that you know that you're so passionate about, if it's something that you believe in, don't let anybody stop you from doing what your hopes and dreams tell you you are called to do. And if I take the song, I'ma do me, to mean that, I think I start to like that song a lot better. That means that other people's words are words that I can use to add to my knowledge. They're words that I can use to add to my perspective, but I still need to have my own perspective, right? I still need to think about things from my own point of view. Other people's actions, I can use those for motivation. I can use those as an example when necessary. But other people's actions should not be driving what I decide to do. I'm going to do me. Okay? Now, of course, me should be guided and principled by your faith, should be guided and principled by the one that you ultimately submit to, right? But you can do you without regard to other people's actions or other people's words about what you should do. Now, some young person is listening to this and they're like, man, finally somebody gets it. They believe that I can do whatever in the heck I want. That's why I hated this song when it came out 12 years ago, 13 years ago, because I thought it meant you can do whatever you want. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm saying that if you have hopes, if you have dreams for your life, if there are things that you've always wanted to accomplish, but you've held up because somebody else told you you shouldn't do it, or you've held up because somebody else told you it might be a bad idea, but your spirit and your soul is calling you to accomplish something, You need to do you, because you will not be satisfied. You will not satisfy that urge. You will not satisfy that condition of your heart until you get out there and accomplish that hope and that dream. So guess what? You do you. I'm going to watch you flaunt your stuff. I'm going to watch you show off, right? But I'm going to do me. And me involves helping as many people as I can invest in rental real estate. Help as many people as I can move from one condition of life to another condition of life. What is you? What are you going to do with your life? What are you going to do? What's your purpose? What's that thing that you've been called to do? And if you've been called to do it, don't let anybody stop you. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do it. Don't just look at it, y'all. The opportunity is there. Grab the map. Y'all have a great morning. Talk to y'all later.